Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Franz Lang, and I'm here to teach you correct pronunciations in English, as well as in many other languages. We are looking at the singular and plural forms of this English animal name. For a single animal, we say wolf, wolf. The singular ends with a soft f sound. In the plural form, that f changes to a voiced f sound before the plural ending. Wolves, wolves, wolves. All right. If you enjoy learning about pronunciations, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more pronunciation guides from around the world. Join us on this linguistic journey and stay tuned. Find more on youpronounce.it. Tschüss.